In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Brave wallet to Brave Rewards. By the end, you'll have your Brave wallet securely linked to Brave Rewards, and you'll see the connection status confirmed in your rewards settings. First, open Brave browser. Make sure it's up to date and fully loaded before you continue. Next, click the Brave Rewards icon, the BAT logo, usually found at the top right of the browser toolbar. This opens the Brave Rewards panel so you can manage your rewards settings. Now click Connect Account/Wallet. You'll see this option in the Rewards panel. Click it to start linking your Brave wallet to Brave Rewards. From here, select Brave Wallet. If you see multiple options, choose Brave Wallet specifically so your browser's built-in wallet is used for the connection. Approve the connection request. A confirmation window will appear asking for permission to connect Brave Rewards to your Brave wallet. Click Approve. This is a standard permission prompt, so Rewards can read the wallet status. You're not moving funds, just authorizing the connection. Complete any verification if prompted. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to enter your Brave wallet password, confirm with your device login, or sign a simple message. Follow the on-screen prompts, then wait a moment for the connection to finalize. If a loading spinner appears, let it finish before clicking Elsewhere. Once that's done, confirm wallet is connected in Rewards settings. Right in the Rewards panel, look for a confirmation message or status indicating your Brave wallet is now connected. You might see a label or checkmark that clearly shows the link is active. Verify connection. At this point, you'll do a quick double check in the main settings to make sure everything is recorded correctly. Go to Settings arrow Brave Rewards. Open the browser settings, then select Brave Rewards from the left sidebar. This takes you to the full rewards settings page where the wallet connection is listed and easier to review. Check if wallet status equals connected. On this page, locate the wallet section and find the wallet status line. It should read connected. If you see connected, your Brave wallet link to Brave Rewards is confirmed, and no further action is needed. That's it. Your Brave wallet is now connected to Brave Rewards, and the status shows as connected in your settings, confirming everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.